Yeah, yeah. Oh. No matter the storm, we dey rise. Woke up with pressure on my chest again. Life no balance, but I still pretend. Every setback tried to break my soul, but deep inside I no go lose control. People talk say I no fit go far, but them no know all the wounds and scars. I carry dreams when no go die, even when tears fall from my eyes. I've been down, but I stand strong. Every night don't last too long.
I went to ChatGPT. I click on ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, you can easily go to your Google Play Store and download it. And I gave it a prompt. I say, you are a professional songwriter. Write in 1 minute Afro R&B music lyrics to be produced with Suno AI. The song should tell a positive, inspirational message on overcoming the challenges of life with a male vocal tone. As you can see, I give it a clear description, the kind of music style I want, that's R&B, and Suno AI. It's not important you put Suno AI. You can use Gemini AI, but let it know that you're using AI to generate the song. Then I say the song should have a message to tell. Then of course, ChatGPT gave me this. He gave me the title "Rise Again" and the intro. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you marry the storm, no matter the storm, with the rise. Okay, he gave me the intro, the verse 1. The chorus, I'll be down, but I stand strong. Every night don't last too long. Okay. Then the chorus, the verse 2. Then the chorus, intro. I didn't want it to be so long that I say 1 minute, because it may not even be up to 1 minute. Then after it has given me the song lyrics, then I wait for that. I say, give me a suitable image prompt for the male singer, because I describe the male. Say it's a male, not a female singer. Give me a suitable image prompt for the male singer with emotional expression and hand gestures, the studio and environment. I'm kind of describe, okay, the expression the person should display, the male, the expression. And ChatGPT, of course, as usual, gave me the prompt for the image to use for the song. A young dark-skinned African male singer in his mid-20s, expressive and emotional, standing in a professional music studio. Though this is what ChatGPT gave me. So this is the first step. Okay, this is the first of the description of the image you are going to use. Okay, next thing, we are going to Chrome. We're going to open our Chrome app. We'll go to Chrome. As I open Chrome and I type in the app we are going to use to first of all, I think the first is, let's generate our image. I went to Flow, Google Flow. That's the app I want to use to generate the image. So I tap on Google Flow. While it's open, I click on this first one. See this first one here, labs.google. I click on it, and of course, when you come in here, you have to register with your Gmail so you can have the features. So okay, there was the image. This is the first one I created, so I click on new project. The next thing is to click on this place here for our settings. So you click on it. So we are going to do image, not video. Since we are generating image, leave it at image. Then the aspect ratio, we have 16:9, 4:3, 1:1, 3:4, 9:16. So we're using 16:9 for YouTube purpose. If it were TikTok or Instagram reel, consider 9:16. Then the quantity, the output, we're going to leave it at X1. Then if you click on this arrow here, this small drop down arrow here, you see the model available, Nano Banana Pro. Of course, that one you have to pay. They will have a Nano Banana 2, which we are going to be using, and it will give us something really good since we are doing free. Everything we are doing here is free, using free tutorials, using free tools rather. So we are going to paste the image prompt from ChatGPT. So we'll go back to ChatGPT and we are going to copy this prompt that it gave us. So we'll copy this prompt, copy everything, the description of the singer. Then we'll click on copy. I will bring it to bring to flow. You press and hold on it, then you click on paste. Once you click on paste, then you click on this button, go. You click on this enter button. Click on the enter button, and it will begin to work and generate your image. Okay, we are done with the image. This is what this is cool. This is the image that came out. This is the image that was generated. Okay, we are done with this part now. The next part is, so we are going to first we're going to download the image. So we'll click on this. You see this corner here. You see there's a download icon here. Click on this button to download your image. See downloading image. So that is done. Now we are going back to the app that we used to generate the sound. At first I wanted to use Suno AI because Suno is more popular, but in the course of researching on the best and different things to give to you people, I had to use Gemini. I decided to try Gemini. Gemini AI, it gave me a really good one. So let's go back to our Chrome. So when you get to Chrome, you type in Gemini AI, Gemini AI, and you click on this Gemini AI. Okay, this is it here. You click on this first one here, Gemini AI. You click on it and wait for it to open. So of course, once it's open, this is what comes up. Okay, now when it comes up like this, you have to register with your email address. This will pop up. Now you see this option: create image, create music, help me learn, write something. So we are definitely going to, you see the different option here, all of them here, this, all of them, the different options here. You can see all of them here, all of them, different options here. So the one I'm going to be is this create music. So we tap on it. Then once we tap on the next thing, now we are going to copy the music lyrics from ChatGPT. So I go back to ChatGPT. To get what I already did before, the music, the lyrics. So I'm going to copy from the intro. Down to the outro. This is the entire music. Then I'm going to click on copy. Then go back to Gemini AI. And I've already clicked create music. Then describe your track. So I'm going to paste everything I copied from ChatGPT, the lyrics. So I paste it, then I click on enter. Once I click on enter, the moment I click on enter, it begins to generate the music for me. So as you can see, it's generating the music. So let's watch and see what it gives us. Okay, as you can see, this is what it gives. I have composed and produced your track based on those lyrics. Okay, let's see let's play the music now and see. Not be smarting, no. Gemini do better work,
Yeah.
Wow, oh yeah.
No matter the storm, we dey rise. Woke up with pressure on my chest again.
Not be smarting.
Life no balance, but I still pretend. Every setback tried to break my soul.
As you can see, it's actually singing the lyrics that the ChatGPT gave us. So it's
but them no all the wounds wounds and scars. I
This
carry
is
dreams when
original
no
song we
good die.
created though. YouTube no fit give us
Even when tears
copyright.
fall from my eyes, I've been down, but I stand strong. Every night don't last too long. I go rise again, I know
Yeah.
go fall. Through the pain, I go stand tall. Even when the road feel rough, I
Fine,
get
let's pause it
strength.
here
I'm
and
enough, light go shine through.
then we'll click on the download button here and we download our song. I intended to use Suno AI before because that is what is popularly trending for music creation, but I said no, let me do something different because usually if I want to do a video for my audience, I try to try different platforms, different apps. Is it free? One. Secondly, does it give a good output? That's what I do, so that I can give my audience the best that I can. So that was how I discovered this Gemini AI that it does this, and I decided to try it, and you can see the results yourself. So the next we'll be going to the app to animate the image we created from Flow so that the image can sing this song. I open Chrome and we are going to type in this app, this lipsync.video, as you can see. And I click go, wait for it to open. Okay, once it's open up, of course you're going to sign in with your Gmail. So first thing you do, as you can see, I have 55 coin. I have 55 coin here. Each day you sign it, they're going to give you, I think, 50 coins. So the first place you go to is this place. You tap on these three lines here. Then you're going to, you see this place. You see sing photo. You tap on it. Then you go to this particular one here, which says singing photo. Once it's open, then the next place you go to is, you see this place here. Tap on this arrow here, this drop down arrow here. You click on it and you see singing 1.0 basic, singing 2.0 recommended, as you can see. So we are going to be using the singing 2.0. The difference between the two is that depends on the kind of music you want to produce. If you want a music that is more expressive, where the singer is, moving hands, moving body, stuff like that, you use a Sing 2.0. Sing 1.0 is more like the image is a little more static, it doesn't really move body. So that is, but we are going to be using this Singing 2.0 is already ticked. So we go back. Next thing we're going to do is to upload our photo. The photo we generated from Flow. We'll upload our photo. I'll click on it to look. Okay, this is the photo. Okay, next thing is upload audio. We're going to upload our audio, the audio we already generated. So we're going to click on upload audio up to 40 seconds. The audio I generated was about a minute, almost 2 minutes. So I have to cut it into 40 seconds, cut it 40, so that it can accommodate this. So I click on upload audio here. So we're going to search for our file. So I have to access my phone now so I can click on my files and the audio. Okay, this is this first one, song 1. I'll click on song 1 here and I click on done. Okay, as you can see, my audio has successfully been uploaded. But as you can see here, it will cost 160 credit to generate this one, and the music is about 2 minutes thereabout. So I have to split the audio into 3. So if I'm to generate, it cost me almost 480 credit thereabout to generate it, but I don't have such credit. So if I click on generate now, it will take me here to buy credit, and I don't intend buying credit. So in your own case, what you do is that you generate each day. You have to sign in every day. Each day you sign in, they will give you 50 credits. Then you'll be using to upgrade until you get to a certain number of credit, maybe 500 credit. Then you can do. But this is just a simple process. We have generated our audio. The next is just to convert it to video. And once you just have enough credit, you click on generate. It will generate immediately, and you will download it. This is just a simple process. what I would do is that I'm going to accumulate more credits. So once I get up to maybe 500 credits, I'll complete the video, and I'll just like a continuation of this video, and you can see the whole thing. But even without that, you can just go ahead and do the video by yourself. Okay, a quick one before I go. As you can see, this is my gallery. You see this? This is what I was able to generate this amount within 3 days, $40. If you're interested in something like a survey, and you really want to have just a little source of income, like just money that just comes in at interval, you can hit me on my WhatsApp, and it's just like a side hustle in addition to what you can be doing. So it's quite okay, and it pays. You can make up to $300 to $400 on a monthly basis, I bet you.